Welcome to the SmartIS Enterprise Agent. First, we start by selecting the Enterprise Agent from our list of assistants. Now let's dive into viewing user information across the various enterprise systems. Here, we can observe the consolidated user information from across the enterprise. To ensure full transparency and validity, users have the opportunity to see the exact source code executed on each system for this query. Right now, we're looking at the Mocha script that's running on Blue Yonder, Python script to invoke the Blue Yonder's APIs, and the SQL executed on Snowflake. Let's delve into some analytics on this data. We have a trend chart here that depicts user login activity over time. This is based on the user's last login and logout dates, providing insights into usage patterns and activity trends. Next, let's examine how many users exist across multiple systems. This analysis offers insight into the number of people utilizing more than one system. Lastly, see a bar chart of user count in each system, presenting a clear view of user distribution and facilitating easy comparisons at a glance. Thank you.